Hi there, another lovely creative writing task for you. Does involve a little bit of TV watching. I'm sure that you've probably done plenty of that this week. So your task is to spend at least 30 minutes writing a film review that you've recently watched. A film review isn't about retelling the story. It's not like a whole view of the film from your perspective. It's a critical analysis of the film. So you do need to summarize the film. The first part of your work will be summarizing the film, and the kind of basic plot lines. But the most important part is the highlighting the strengths and the weaknesses of the film. So what you thought was really good, what was effective. It could be the acting, it could be the way that a book perhaps was interpreted by a film director. It could be about how the different scenes were filmed and played out, how similar it was to your imagination. And then what the criticism would be, so a negative criticism in terms of what you think could be better. Maybe it could be shorter, longer, it could be more dramatic, less dramatic, there could be songs in it. I love a musical. So think about how you think that the film could be made better, and then come to a conclusion. So would you recommend it? Would you give it a rating out of 5 or 10? Think about perhaps exploring other film reviews of the same film and using them to support your argument, remembering to credit them to the author. So it might be that you've seen a review on Rotten Tomatoes that says that the film was inspirational. Perhaps you could say in your writing, I agree with the Rotten Tomatoes review, but the film was inspirational. So you're showing that it's someone else's opinion that you also support. What I'll try and do is I'll mock up an example of a review of perhaps Holes, and I can post that up and talk you through it. So hopefully you'll be able to be competently reviewing an excellent film that you've watched. Please make sure that it is age appropriate, and all those other health warnings. So I look forward to seeing those. Thank you for those of you who are sending me some of your work to have a look at. I'd love to see what you've been up to, and give you some feedback. So yeah, have a good day. Bye.